Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VRUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis many times in the past. That's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. Was on vacation this past week, and I come back and I see that this level up here at 34.5 cents remains that stubborn area of resistance. However, on the flip side of things, the last level I talked about being the bottom of the channel continues to be stubborn in a good way for the bulls, and that is down here at 0.027, and that level was tested again right there on Thursday and held. Not only did it hold, it actually provided a very, very nice bounce. So, I mean, for those chart players out there, congratulations. I mean, you got a great entry point down here and got a big old bounce in your favor. So that's why you can only kind of laugh at people that say, charts don't work. Am I saying charts are perfect? No, there's no such thing as a perfect tool. But, I mean, are charts worthless like some people try to make you think? I mean, what a coincidence, right, where it decided to, bounce, let people accumulate down here, and then all of a sudden go all the way up there and get rejected at that red line. So the point here being that charts are worth learning, and then also from the big picture point of view, and this is nothing new if you've watched the past videos, but like I said, it's amazing how I've stepped away from to everything for a week and I come back, and literally the same exact thing I was once talking about is still totally in play. This channel pattern right here. So really the easiest way to summarize this, 30-minute time frame, sideways channel pattern, top of the channel resistance right there at 0.0345, bottom of the channel support right down here at 0.027, and it just becomes kind of a waiting game. Now, if you're some sort of flipper, day trader, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, then yeah, this is like a magical, mystical playground. I mean, this has been all sorts of profitable opportunities in there. But if you're somebody that cares about the bigger picture, well, then yeah, it's still a matter of waiting for something to happen. Something to happen either being a breakout to the upside of the pattern or break down on the downside of the channel. But until then, like I said, you kind of just got to grab the popcorn and continue to watch the price bounce back and forth. Overall, though, the big picture chart is still well within the bulls' favor because this sideways action is happening well higher than where the price was just a couple months ago. So from, like I said, the macro trend perspective, the bulls are definitely still in full control. But next week, looking like it'll be pretty interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.